everyone, it's Rob at R's Island Crafts and welcome to my studio. We are on day 6 of the Advent series. A friend and I are sharing Advent gifts each day. I think I got some candy in here. Okay, it's fabric. My friend knows I love 1/4 of a yard cuts because I use that little bits in a lot of things. I think we might have something a little bit larger here, maybe some off-cut weird cut or something, but there's a roll of candy in it. Now I've already received Necco wafers and I haven't opened them up yet. So I wonder, is there more Necco wafers in here or is this my bottle caps? Don't worry, my friend, if you didn't send any bottle caps, I'm okay with that, but what else can I guess? There's only so many things that come in these rolls. So what kind of fabric do you think it is? I'm just going to guess that it has a tan or brown color to it because I don't have a lot of those colors. So my friend knows I need some of those. Look, I was wrong. Oh my goodness. Look, I love these. You're not supposed to be eating all this sugar and candies, but the supersized Smarties, these things are huge. So now Smarties are, let's see, these say Mega Smarties. I think it's just like pure compressed sugar. I don't think there is much of a tang to it. Sometimes it's more of eating all this candy makes your tongue, my mouth is watering just thinking about these. Eating all that candy, if you eat this whole roll, you kind of get that sore spot on the side of your cheek and on your tongue. I know it's a little bit harder for our friends in the UK and other countries. You don't always have these. And for you, Smarties are, I think they're like our M&Ms. They're the little candy-coated chocolates. Now, my friend struggles figuring out what to put into my package, and she likes to send fabric. She always worries that I have the fabric that she's going to send, and she never knows. She's like, you have everything. But I use everything, and I use it up, and I do not have this fabric. And look at those greens with the little bits of the like limey greens in there. I love it. 1/4 yards, 1/8 of a yard. I love those cuts because you can get a little bit of all of the fabrics and not spend a lot of money. I think that is a great way to do things. Because you guys know I love little scrappy things and I just need a little cut of this and a little cut of that. So when you have fabric like this, that's all you need is a little bits here and there. So this is going to go in my little fabric collection there. I just have a little bit out here on the shelves at this house. Might be making some more cactuses with this. My friend, did I send you something green today? I immediately thought of Oscar the Grouch from Sesame Street. Did anyone else think about that? When it's green, he has something he says, it's fun being green or something like that. I don't know. Let's see what my friend opens today. Merry Advent Day 6. 2 new pieces of fabric. And I picked up a set of my favorite socks, yes, from the Dollar Tree. I actually love these socks. They do last reasonably well. Sometimes one pair will actually get a run in it or something will catch and it'll be no good after like a day or two. But others I've had for over a year and they really work great. They have that bit across the top that hugs your foot. It's actually cushioned. There's a lot of cushioning down here, more than I expected from the Dollar Tree. I love the different fun colors that they have. I have several pairs in this style and then in last year's style. And I just wanted my friend to feel how comfortable they are. I also like that these do not slide down into your shoe as the day goes on, which is really important. Plus, socks are getting crazy expensive now. Save a little money and have something fun. I know when I look down at my feet on many days, I'm really surprised to see which color it is. 'Cause you put your shoes on in the morning and you don't see them again till that night. I tend to forget which socks I put on, but many of them just make me smile and brighten my evening because of the different colors. Thank you so much, my friend. I love it. See you guys tomorrow.